Hey guys, good afternoon. Fit check for today. Very dark, no? Sige lang, okay ra na. We are heading out for a birthday dinner. So yeah, I thought I'd do some snaps about it so I can share it with you. Thank you,
Bangus?
Lord.
Saan ikaw
Oh,
naman?
so many. Kuha, Miss Dana.
Bangus.
Thank you, Lord.
Thank you, Lord. Thank you, Lord. Ito, pangwa nila. Day. One picture.
Hey guys, good evening. So we are home now. After dinner, kain habit make a dito tumageti. I bought this one. So this is my second milk tea from Chatukchak. So if you have seen my previous video, I said na I have a challenge to taste all of their drinks. So yeah, this is my second drinks from Chatukchak. So this is matcha latte sea salt matcha, basta something matcha. Nakalimut ko sa pangalan, pagkalimtaman na bagid na ko. So yeah, this is matcha and lamig pa siya guys. um, matcha. Matcha siya. So I haven't really taken a lot of videos kaganiha during our dinner because we are with my husband's family and of course I respect their privacy. They comfortable po nga magsigig flash sa camera sila mga naong bakay basig di po sila ganahan. So yeah, and let's talk. Unsa na kay na so today I turned 37. Yay. Thank you Lord for the 37 years. I am so blessed beyond what I wanted in life, beyond what I prayed for. So I couldn't thank God enough. But yeah, so far, I'm living my life. Na mga dreams nga wala pa na abot. I mean, wala pa na abot. And then may mga plans nga wala pa natuman. But I know that God has a greater purpose sa among life ni Habs. And yeah, no regrets. Just hope and just trust in the Lord, trusting in His plans, and of course, the things that is coming in our lives. So I'm excited to what 2025 or what my 37th year will bring to us. And yeah, thank you so much for all the warm wishes and for all the greetings. Dili ta mo mausa-usa, but I'm really thankful na you remembered my probably na reminder pod mo no kay tungod nag-post akong husband about my birthday. But yeah, thank you so much. Still, thank you so much for taking time and sending your messages to me. I'm so grateful for that and la join me as I journey my 37th year in life. And I think more siguro siya. Salamat kaayo. Salamat po sa inyong mga suporta to those who followed me. Bisan sometimes kay kanang marag siguro license ako mga videos ba, but I really hope nga makatag po gamayng spark of hope or spark of kanang happiness, funny moments, something like that. So kay mo na akong mapud na dyan akong desire na if ako mo dyan yung person in content creation no kay lagi ko no hay ganhan po maging content creator ba, but I really hope pod nga sa kung pag flash of videos that online will somehow give an inspiration to other people na makakita sa mga videos or unsa pa diha. I don't know how, but I know nga nadyoy ka nang ma-inspire pod. So yeah, that's it I think for today. My birthday wishes. I don't ask for anything but good health for me and my family, and also siguro ko ano po na God will answer our deepest I mean kanang pinaka dugay na dyan naman nag-pray, and then God will grant all our heart's desires. If not, still thank you because diba naman ta God has a purpose for everything and He has greater plans for us. So I'm just here trusting everything in His hands. Thank you, and good night everyone. Tomorrow is Sunday, so ito malimot magsimba. Bye!